Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla, Konrad ke sama oleh tu, bolo Shimkhia hi dalade, banyak ban Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Assam, usar bananda sonawal, ban betha ikibor Pyllait jong ke Jylla Assam, ban pelat nyok klem tek kendon ki arngut ki hasi wala Shahkem, haki Pyllait Assam haka shnong Umwali. Haba keren, syakilat betha ikibor negasngi khat santrik penai rempang, arajar khat kendai. Konrad ke sama oleh tu, bolo Shimkhia bhai yak ni jingja banyak song tu jingmut. Bat Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Assam, bahkan omdon keno jing pentot na baro arliang, haka bay day ba kajing wanra ya ki kam penroy, haka thain lang pi, kabadang don hapadeng kajing ya kam try hapadeng ke Jylla Myntri bat ke Jylla Assam.
Yesterday there was work that was being done for the electrification of the villages. While the lines were being pulled, a lot of people came out and started objecting. And when this objection started taking place, I think there were some arguments and some pelting of stones took place. And then I think the Assam police was there. So the Assam police, once this pelting of stones started taking place and slight, argument was there. I think the Assam police ultimately, after the pelting of stones was there, resorted to a lathi charge where 4 people were injured. And in that process, of course, things happened so fast, and 2 people were also arrested from Meghalaya. So this information came to us very fast. We immediately acted on it. Immediately the administration was informed. The situation was normalized, but 4 people were injured and 2 people were arrested. Then we immediately spoke to the Assam counterparts, and in fact from the DG's office itself, and the SP's office itself, information was given to the SP from the other side. Of course, that SP was on leave, so the additional SP was there, and they have discussed, and I think the 2 people will be released. There should not be an issue in that. But yes, it was an incident that happened, and we have seen this kind of incidents many times in the development aspect, because there's always been an issue about development and who should do the development, whose area it is. So these kind of incidents have been taking place. We are trying to again here also balance out between ensuring that the development reaches those people, but the status quo is maintained so that the sentiments of the people is not hurt. And that is where the challenge lies. But balancing it is a difficult task sometimes, because these incidents sometimes happen very quickly, and the responses do take some time to implement. But as I said, we are from our side maintaining a very, very strong communication with our counterparts in Assam to ensure that these kind of incidents should not happen in the future. Both sides, it's not only from their side, but even from our side also, when Assam government does have some work that takes place in certain areas, sometimes our people also object to it. So it is happening on both sides. It is not something I'm blaming anybody, but I'm just trying to correct what you're saying, that it's not just their side, but even our side also. There were some incidents of some PMGSY work which was recently stopped by our people. So these kind of things are natural, because obviously people are very sentimental about the whole issue. So you can't blame the people. But here is where we're trying to balance things out and ensuring that even though this tension is there, I shouldn't say tension, but this kind of a situation is there. In this situation, we are trying to ensure that at least the development process should not stop. So there are challenges sometimes, but we are trying our best to ensure that we work them out.